Hey, what's up guys, it's Matt. In this video we're going to be doing another quick review, and this one is going to be on the MOFT Magsafe wallet stand, or more commonly known as the MOFT 3-in-1 phone stand and wallet. I got this guy from Amazon. As you can see, I did get it in the sunset orange. Been really digging the kind of burnt orange colors lately, and if you guys want to use the link in the description, you also can pick it up off Amazon. They are $29.99 US, so 30 bucks. So let's go ahead and open this guy up, see how it's used and feels, and then we'll see if I can make a recommendation or not. So real quick, it does look like it gives a quick demo, how to use it: portrait mode, landscape mode, floating mode, where it looks like you just twist it or turn it. And it says you can attach to any magnetic surface, and also says, of course, it's a 3-card wallet. So size, thickness, weight, and dimensions. We're looking at 2.6 by 3.8 inches, or in metric, 65.5 by 95.5 millimeters. Thickness is 0.2 of an inch or 6 millimeters, and it comes in weighing at 15 ounces and 43 grams. The materials are vegan leather, fiberglass, magnets, and metal sheets. All right, let's open it up. Okay, and there it is. Now, just again to state to you guys, it is made of vegan leather, and it does feel very good and also pretty high quality. I have a feeling that it will wear well. MOFT has been around for a while, and they usually put pretty quality products out into the market, and they do generally also use pretty good materials to make said products. So yeah, let's go ahead and throw it on the iPhone, see what's up. Okay, fits nice and snug, perfect size for my iPhone 14 Pro. So it looks like it's got a little entry lip that you can use to kind of just put in cards and take them out. And then I'm guessing if I pull it by the middle, and then okay, so it looks like, yeah, that's pretty handy. That works well. That's a good viewing angle too, for if it's just sitting on your desk or whatever have you. Okay, let's try it in a couple other modes. So that's the landscape one, to where if you just twist it, it's pretty much the same thing. So let's see. And yeah, okay, works great on my 14 Pro. So yeah, just to recap, we have portrait, landscape, and then what is most of the time referred to as floating mode. Okay, I guess I'll have to get some cards to throw in this bad boy. All right, so there's one, there's two. Yeah, it's holding them really well. Not adding much size to it. Yeah, actually that's really slim considering it has 2 cards in it already. Let's see if we can add a third. Alright, there's 1, 2, and 3 cards in there now, and yeah, I would say it still holds it really well. Yeah, really, if I didn't put them in there myself, I don't think I would have even known that there was any in there. So it does store them pretty well. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, yeah, I think I kind of like it. Now guys, just to be clear, it's not gonna fully replace my everyday carry wallet, but I do like using these MagSafe accessories that hold cards as kind of a wallet extension. Over the years I've found that some cards are just good to kind of have in your bag, or where it's still easily accessible but doesn't necessarily have to be on your person 24/7. So I might carry like my auto insurance card and a few others in there, for example. But that definitely doesn't mean that it doesn't have its place. But yeah, so far I really like it. And again guys, this is the MOFT 3-in-1 phone stand and wallet. If you guys decide that you think you do want to pick one up, as always, the link will be down below in the description. And yeah, I think that's gonna do it. On to the next awesome product. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.